Okay friends, in our earlier video, part 1 of this particular series, we discussed about important question and topics coming especially from excuse me, heat and fluid mechanics. Today in this part of the video we will try to discuss about important questions from the mechanics, and one such chapter from mechanics we begin with the very one which was dimensional analysis. Now in dimensional analysis, the weightage of this particular chapter happens to be approximately 3 marks, friends. So prepare this chapter with the view of scoring 3 marks from this particular chapter. And one specific type of question that is very important is how to use dimensions, to relate any physical quantities. And friends, in this particular chapter I would like you to also understand that you should know how to solve a particular numerical problem based on relation of or based on relating different physical quantities and its limitations also, and stating its limitations. So this particular thing, if you haven't tried up till now, please do it. This will give you short 3 marks question, so don't leave this part as of now. Second particular chapter which I would like you to pay attention is on vectors, and in vectors especially, once again, it is of 2 to 5 marks. Okay friends, so this is, I got a high weightage marks. So if you are going to leave this chapter, so this weightage will be lost. And especially in vectors, learn how to find dot product and cross product, especially when vectors are represented in component form. So friends, try out numerical problems. If you are not aware of the representation in vector in component form, so vector A being represented as a1 I cap plus a2 j cap plus a3 k cap, and vector B being represented as b1 I cap plus b2 j cap plus b3 k cap. So this particular type of representation of vectors is called as vectors represented in component forms, and their cross and dot products, and then application of dot and cross products first in finding out angle between two vectors. So learn how to use dot product to find angle between two vectors. And the second topic that you should prepare in this is to check the condition of perpendicularity. Check the condition of perpendicularity. So this particular topic, don't leave it. This is a very simple topic. Similarly, application of cross product, that can be done also by you all. So application of cross product, and using cross product to find out area of parallelogram or of area of triangle, parallelogram and area of triangle represented by any two given vectors, represented by any two given vectors. So prepare this, and then the second application is to check the condition of parallelism. It checks the condition of parallelism. So these two topics from vectors must be prepared. As I told you, the weightage, I am expecting the weightage of these two things to be approximately 2 to 5 marks. The next topic that one should prepare from mechanics is about projectile motion So once again, projectile motion will have a weightage of approximately, let's say, 2 to 3 marks. So you should prepare this topic also, and in this topic especially you should know how to derive the equation of projectile motion. So the first thing that you should know to derive the equation of projectile motion, and then you should also know or with the similar problem can be reframed in this form, that show that the path of any projectile is parabolic. So this is one of the question that you should also prepare. Then second thing, you should know how to derive the equations for first, time of flight, second, maximum height attained by any projectile, and third, the horizontal distance traveled by any projectile. If you haven't got the notes of all these things, you can also click on to my website. The link is going to be given in the description box, and also you can click on the top right hand corner I button. Over there you will find the links based on to all these projectile motions questions and equations. So over there you will get all those things. So that's another important topic for projectile motion. And then on circular motion, once again prepare for 2 to 3 marks. One important question is deriving the equation of centripetal acceleration or centripetal force for that matter, same thing. So you can prepare this particular topic. Second, to show the angle of banking or angle by which any rider bends as tan theta is equals to v square by rg. So you can prepare these two particular topics from the circular motion also. Friends, thank you for watching. Don't forget to give a like or comment. अगर अभी तक आपने मेरे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज डू द सेम. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that whenever a new video is loaded, you get the notification. Take care, and we will meet back again with a new video and a new solution. Thank you, friends.